Welcome back to another video. We're doing a market review this time. I already recorded this and there was no fucking audio, so I'm gonna redo it. I might try to keep it shorter, honestly. But yeah, so essentially, market reviews, days I don't trade, and I kind of just go over, or I guess days I like didn't take a trade, and I kind of just go over what I was looking at and my thoughts and process, kind of going throughout the day. But yeah, I mean, shit, we can get straight into it. Again, only started on the higher time frame, see what's going on. As you can see here, we had one sec, sorry. We had pretty much like coming into today, like or the new week, I guess you could say. Not much going on other than this big 4 hour fair value gap, which we respected. Obviously, at the time, I didn't know, but it was going to be respected. Um, but yeah, I mean, other than that, like there was no bullish P raise really that price was respecting. So I was like, all right, we're probably going to go down lower. Um, on the hourly, yeah, again, expected this 1 hour intermediate high. We took that and then we respected that. And then how market open, we're just inversing gaps on the 5 minute especially. But yeah, dude, market open, it kind of just started to dump. And I kind of wanted, what I wanted was, yeah, I'm sorry. What I wanted was a continuation down to these Asia and London lows. That was my original draw, right? Again, super important to have draws and liquidity. Um, and shit, bro, back test the shit out of it. Literally, don't even back test your entry. Don't even back test entry models. Back test finding draws and liquidity. That shit was like the best thing that happened to me. I swear to God. But yeah, anyways, like there was no entries down there. Like there was no 5 minute gaps either, really. Like, yeah, there was this 5 minute gap I wanted to tap up here, but price just did not go to it, and there was nothing. Um, and eventually we ended up taking London low and Asia low. Now, um, from there, I was like, all right, maybe price bounces off of this. There's no P raise really, but maybe price bounces and decides to go up higher. Now, the next candle kind of just told me it wasn't going to because what time was it? It was 9:55. So at 10 a.m., what happened was we, where is it? Where is it? All right, here we go. At 10 a.m., what happened? We fully inversed this 1 hour gap, fully gone. We inversed it, and there's no bullish P raise. So, you know, what's my thought process now? Well, shit, we're probably going to be taking these previous day lows from Friday. Um, Only other draw. There was literally nothing else because we were delivering out of this big 4 hour gap, right? There's nothing else other than previous day lows. So that's my new draw. Now, what happened was, here we go. Right around 10, there was a 5 minute fair value gap right there. And then we got a 1 minute fair value gap out of it that got inversed. Where the fuck is it? There we go. Okay. So from that 5 minute fair value gap, we got a 1 minute inverse. There we go. Just put that there. Now, why did I fade this? This was a good setup, but um, there's two reasons why I faded this. Number one, actually, there's three reasons, but number one was I came in today honestly not prepared to trade at all. I did not want to trade. I didn't want to take a trade. I kind of was just up because I was up, and I was like, if I see a really good setup, I will take it. If it presents itself, I will take it. Now, number two reason why I didn't take it was it took 4 minutes to inverse, right? So if we got this inverse on at 10:07, right? I probably would have taken it. And you're gonna see why. Probably would have taken it. But it took a few candles and it closed all the way down here, and my break even was right here, and it only gave it like 15 points breathing room for break even. So a lot of people got stopped out on that, but do know a lot of people who didn't go break even there, waited longer for this new load that just got created to get taken, and it played out. Now, the other reason why I didn't take this Y was because we inversed at 10:10 a.m. and I noticed that we were going to, one sec. Where the fuck is it? God damn, why does it do that? Like, why can't you just fucking keep me in the motherfucker? Okay. And what I noticed was the stop, where stop was that high, or where my stop would have been, was I think it was the top of a 15-minute fair value gap that got formed, that would have been formed in 5 minutes. So that's, so you're telling me my stop would have been at a 15-minute gap. You never want to do that shit because price can easily just go back, tap it, and keep going. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna fade this. And worst case, I don't take a trade. Best case, we get a little retrace into the said 15-minute gap, right? Get a retrace into it and get an inversion out of it down to previous day lows. And that was it. I faded the trade, and honestly, even though it played out, I'm happy I didn't take it. I can't be mad about that. Now, we took previous day low, and what happened was, now I was like, all right, maybe we could look for some saucy longs. Now, saw this 5 minute gap, wanted to inverse, and honestly, with a 5 minute gap, I got pretty good conviction in a 5 minute inverse. Um, but we got like the worst inverse possible. Not like, so stupid. Definitely not taking that. 100% not taking that. If it closed here, sure, I would have probably taken it for like a 1-to-1. But yeah, there was really nothing else going on the rest of the day. I think I stopped like really looking at the charts at, I think it was like 10:40. Once this massive candle inversed like way up there, I was done. Now, one thing I do that it's like a rule for me is I do not trade past 11 p.m. I can be in a trade past 11 as long as I place a trade before 11, but I will not be in a trade past, I will not enter a trade past 11. It's just a rule of mine because I don't like trading through lunch, and I try to keep it my trading between 9:30 and 11 o'clock. But yeah, I think it's just stick to one session. And if you stick to New York, stick to either PM or AM. I recommend AM. More volume, moves a lot cleaner. Um, but yeah, honestly, not a terrible day for a no news day. And also, it's Hanukkah, so the market makers are off today. You know what I mean? But yeah, honestly, kind of crazy that we actually got like the displacement we got through down here to previous day lows. It was actually pretty clean. Crazy delivery, can't lie. But yeah, other than that, there was nothing else. Now, I'm going to get into kind of what's going on for the rest of the week and how I'm going to navigate it. Um, well, this is it. There was nothing today. Tuesday, which is tomorrow, we have 8:30. We have a shit ton of news. We have so much goddamn news tomorrow. So we got hourly earnings, core retail sales, non-farm employment change, retail sales. We got unemployment rate. And then 9:45, we have flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. I'm going to tell you right away, I'm not placing a trade till after 9:45. I'm going to let all the news drop, let the market do its thing. Because I mean, what am I going to do? Take a trade from 9:30 to 9:45? Probably close early because news is dropping. No, I'm just going to fucking wait. Don't be stupid, bro. Don't be stupid and use the data highs and lows to your advantage to find where price wants to go. Yeah, and then nothing Wednesday and Thursday we got CPI, unemployment claims, so that's cool. Friday, nothing. Friday, I don't know if I'm gonna trade. I'm getting surgery, so I don't know what time that's gonna be at though, so I might not be able to trade. And then the week after that, I'm just gonna stay away. I might trade no, maybe Wednesday, but honestly not worth it. I think that's gonna be it for the year for me after after Thursday or Friday. So yeah, I mean that's kind of it. It's kind of what's going on right now. What I'm looking at, how I saw the market today, how I read it. Um, yeah, also I see the ICT concepts video that I'm doing. It's gonna come out in a bit. I think probably within the next few days. I finished up a couple of tweaks on the editing side of stuff. But yeah, so it should be out this week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have a good day.